In the stillness of dawn, a fox awakens, not with noise, but purpose. He doesn't chase the day, he studies it, knowing timing is everything. While others rush blindly, the fox conserves energy, wisdom wrapped in patience. Adversity comes without warning. Storms, predators, sudden change. But the fox adapts swiftly. Flexibility isn't weakness. It's survival cloaked in elegance and sharp observation. The world tests him often, yet he never resents the test. He learns from it. Each scar tells a story, not of defeat, but of wisdom earned and retained. He walks alone, not because he's lonely, but because he trusts his own path. In silence he grows, in solitude he strengthens, and in motion he finds peace. Like the fox, grow quietly, move deliberately, and rise again and again with grace.